Okay, today we're going to talk about how to hang a towel bar on drywall. So we're actually hanging what they call a towel ring. This one I purchased at Walmart for $7 in 2022. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is not a promotion for Walmart or any specific brand or product. And this is the towel hook or towel hanger that we're replacing with the towel ring. What I don't like about this towel hook, first of all, the finish doesn't match the rest of the bathroom fixtures, but you hang your hand towel on this and it very easily falls off, sticks out into the walkway, gets in the way. So let's talk drywall anchors. So when you're fastening to drywall, I prefer anchors that will open up behind the drywall, as you see in this picture. So those spring toggle anchors, sometimes referred to as butterfly anchors. The hollow wall anchors, as you tighten those, they spring open again inside the drywall, as you can see. They're also made from plastic. Or the self-drilling, sometimes called easy anchors. They look like a big corkscrew shape at the bottom there. Do not use these plastic push-in anchors, in my professional opinion, especially to hang towel bars or a toilet paper holder or a towel ring. They're garbage for heavier applications. These plastic push-in anchors are fine if you're hanging a small clock on the wall, a small lightweight picture frame on the wall. Go ahead and use these plastic push-in anchors. But for anything heavier than that, you really want to use a heavy-duty anchor that's going to spring open inside behind the drywall. Today we're going to be using these, again, these self-drilling nylon anchors. And if you look at them, there's a split. So as you drive your screw in, they actually split open slightly inside the wall. Plus you also have that large corkscrew thread that grabs really tight inside the drywall. And you can see these have a rating up to 75 pounds. And that's for vertical shear. And this procedure applies to a towel bar, a towel hook, a toilet paper holder, or a towel ring like we're installing today. And so you use anchors wherever you can't locate a stud in the wall, where you don't have the good fortune of a stud and you got to go into the hollow drywall. That's when you use anchors. Woo! So I'm just locating where we want this to hang on the wall and marking it. So once I mark my two holes, I just gently hammer a very small, thin Phillips head screwdriver to make basically little pilot holes for the anchors. Here's the anchors. So you take a Phillips head, you just push them into the drywall. Then once you push them in far enough where they hit the corkscrew threads, then you slowly and gently screw them in. And that's it, you're done. You don't want to over tighten them, because you can break them or strip them out. And they're good. Then you get your mounting bracket and your two screws. Just slowly and gently drive your screws into the anchors. Make sure it's level. It's nice and secure. Now, many towel bars, toilet paper holders, this towel ring has a small, tiny set screw on the bottom of it. Some take an Allen wrench, some take a small flathead. You see it right there? That's what's going to hold the towel ring to that mounting bracket.
Wow.
So we're going to back that flathead set screw out just a little bit and place it up there over that mounting bracket. Get it centered nicely, hold it against the wall, and then retighten that flathead set screw. And you're good to go.
Woo!
So there's a solution for you when you're trying to hang a towel bar on the wall and you can't locate a stud. You can use these anchors. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.